Hey, does the sight of the camera excite you? Or the buttons on the camera intimidate you? Or the menu system confuses you? Do you want to know more about the lens and the aperture? Or which lens is good for the style of your photography? Know about the camera cards, the tripods and other accessories? And learn to take such fantastic pictures during your vacations. Come and join me in my basic photography course which starts on 2nd of May, twice a week, every week in the month of May, where I will be teaching you the basics of lens, camera and accessories in the first part. The second part teaches you about the aperture and its creative use. The third part teaches you about the shutter speed and its creative use. And then you will learn about the sensor, ISO and day and night photography. In the fifth part, you would understand the rules of composition to make your pictures more beautiful. And finally, whatever pictures you will send me, I will do photo critique on the 6th session, which is going to be free. I am an award-winning photographer whose photographs are published world over in different newspapers and magazines, and I want to handhold you and I want to take you to the next level of your own potential. Come and join me.